Dr. Michael Chan-Frazier. I am a licensed professional counselor and I am a SOULva specialist here at the Vanda House. I think I've always been a seeker, and I explored other modalities of self-care and support, but nothing like this. SOULva Bar is the place where we do our energy. It's our playground, where we do energy clearing work. One of the ways I explain it to people is kind of like Charlie Brown, the cartoon. Pigpen walks around with a cloud of smoke and dirt. I think we all are like Pigpen, whether it's emotional debris with our family, mental debris with our job, stress from sitting in Atlanta traffic or California traffic, or we're walking around with wounds that we carry from a partner, or from been hurt by a family member, or you've lost someone. It gets in our head, and when it gets in your head, it kind of weighs you down. Energy can't be created or destroyed, but it can be moved. And so it helps move that energy, that cloud of smoke or that heaviness, that debris, so you can be clearer in your own life. So you can show up in your family, so you can show up on your jobs. You can just be present in the moment, if that makes sense. But what got me motivated is I realized that as a therapist, I was wearing the mask a lot in my personal professional life. I was making great money. I was one of few black male therapists, and I was in high demand. I was connecting with my clients, but there was an imbalance there. I was a workaholic, and I wasn't dealing with my own stuff. I didn't like some of the decisions I was making. I was struggling internally. I just wasn't happy. At my core, I wasn't happy. And so I had some work to do. And so when I started acknowledging the anger that I had and the resentment that I had, and you learn how to be congruent with you. When I say congruent, you acknowledge your emotions, whether they be positive or quote unquote positive or negative, or they support you or not. You give yourself permission to feel what you need to feel. And before, I didn't give myself permission to be Michael. And so I'm very grateful for how this work has empowered me to be more of me. So how would I describe an energy clearing to someone who's never done it? It's literally like it helps to whatever you're dealing with, it helps to fragment it, break it down, and then move it so you can be lighter. So you can make clearer decisions, so you have clearer thoughts, so you can unlayer the things that aren't supporting you, whether it's that anger, whether it's the fatigue or the tiredness or whatever have you that's bothering you. We use our sacred tools, which are the sticks, SOULva and Durga, to help fragment whatever you're dealing with, whether it's sadness, anger, whatever's weighing you down, whatever's not supporting you. We guide you in the breath work, and then while we're in the physical session, we help to move that energy so that you can feel like more of yourself. We speak for a moment and answer any questions that you may have, and then we continue to support you with other tools. Great question. 3 ways that people can implement self-care at home. Well, the first one that we always talk about here is connect to yourself through your breath, whether you're lying in your bed or you're sitting outside, you're driving. Just pushing pause and to breathe, it helps you connect with yourself. I love taking baths. Some people may not love taking baths, so I recommend a foot bath, but the bath salts are amazing. And the bath helps release toxins out of your physical body. Plus it's just relaxing. A third one would be the True You Mist. So the True You Mist is the liquid form of the SOULva stick, it's a sacred energy cleanser. And so if you're feeling fatigued, irritated, take a deep breath in, you spray the mist, and it literally can help shift the chemicals and the particles in the room.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for all the advice and all the tips. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Please make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button to receive any notifications when new videos are posted. Please also visit a Pear Life website. I will be posting the link with also the social media links down below. If you subscribe to the mailing list, you will be notified of new posts. Goodbye, explorers!